let's explore the core principles behind Porter's 5 Forces, a framework essential for assessing competitive dynamics and driving profitability in any industry. This model helps businesses understand the external forces that shape market competition and influence profitability. Firstly, let's discuss the market power dynamics, the bargaining power of suppliers and customers that plays a pivotal role in shaping your business's strategy. By diversifying your supplier base, you can reduce dependency and enhance negotiational leverage. Similarly, delivering exceptional value to your customers can diminish their bargaining power, securing your market position and enhancing profitability. Reflect on how you can balance these power dynamics to strengthen your strategic freedom. Next, we address the external threats of new entrants and substitute products. Erecting robust market barriers is key to safeguarding your position. This involves not just meeting but exceeding regulatory standards, embracing technological advancements, and staying attuned to customer preferences to ensure your offerings remain relevant and competitive. Consider how you can fortify your market presence against these external pressures. Moving on to the crowded market landscape, where intense rivalry among existing players can erode profitability. Differentiating your products or services and nurturing brand loyalty are paramount. Steer clear of destructive price wars by focusing on truly what sets your offerings apart, whether it through innovation, customer service, or unique experiences. Ensure your value proposition is distinct and compelling. Porter's 5 Forces framework offers invaluable insight to the competitive forces that dictate market dynamics and profitability. By understanding and strategically navigating these forces, you can craft a robust business strategy that not only withstands the pressure of competition, but also positions you for sustained success. Let's leverage this powerful framework to carve out a competitive edge in the ever-evolving market landscape.